Hi everyone, it's Carl here from Sydney, Australia, and in this video we're going to look at articles a and an, such as a cup or an oven, and how to use it in English. So what is a? A means one in English. So we don't say one table, we say a table. We don't say one cup, we say a cup. And we use a before nouns that start with consonant sounds. Let's take a look at some examples of the consonant sounds and how to pronounce them. B, b, a bag, a bag. K, k, a car, a car. D, d, a desk, a desk. F, f, a flower, a flower. G, g, a garden, a garden. H, h, a hat, a hat. J, j, a jumper, a jumper. K, k, a key, a key. L, l, a ladder, a ladder. A mattress, a mattress. N, a nurse, a nurse. P, p, a pizza, a pizza. K, k, a queue, a queue. A road, a road. S, s, a street, a street. Notice that a road is outside the city and a street is inside the city. T, t, a tree, a tree. V, v, a vase, a vase. W, w, a wallet, a wallet. Z, z, a xylophone, a xylophone. Y, y, a yacht, a yacht. Z, z, a zipper, a zipper. What is an? An, like a, means one, and it comes before nouns with vowel sounds at the start. Let's take a look at some examples. A, a, an apple, an apple. E, e, an egg, an egg. I, an ice cream, an ice cream. O, an orange, an orange. A, an umbrella, an umbrella. Okay, what did you learn in this video? Let's see if you can choose the correct article for each noun here. Bus starts with the sound B. A bus. Well done. App starts with the sound A. An app. Well done. Uber. An Uber. Well done. 3 out of 3 so far. The last one. Cake. A cake. Excellent work. So this video has shown you how to use a and an and the pronunciation of consonant and vowel sounds in English. I hope you found the video helpful, and I look forward to talking to you next time in our next video in the Beginner English series. Have a wonderful day.